For all the popular AI tools today, you ask it something, it gives you a response or it does work for you, and then you close the chat, you close your computer, and the work stops there. The AI is just sitting there waiting for you to come back to it to continue doing whatever it is that you want it to do. And yeah, you have tools like OpenClaw, but once it runs a task, it's done. And so it just runs on a fresh loop of doing that task. And so what I want to show you in this video is an AI platform out there, whereas you can describe systems in plain English that it will go and build and run autonomously 24/7 without you ever having to check anything, and it can keep doing that into perpetuity. It's a fun system. I'm excited to show you it, and to that in mind, let's get into the video. So the way I think about it, this sits between those kind of OpenClaw type tools that are smart but just don't have kind of continual context or can forget information and tasks, and then your straight up automation platforms like N8N or Zapier, which can run on a schedule forever, but they have to be built like a circuit board. They aren't flexible and they lack fluid intelligence. So the platform we're using is called CREAO, and what they built they call a super agent. And the way it works, and you'll see this in a second, but at a high level, you tell it what you want in English, then it will read and write the code live to build whatever it is that you want. It will connect all of your accounts like your Gmail, etc. for you. And then when a conversation in that flow produces something that you want, you'll click a button and the CREAO kind of agent will turn that workflow into what they call an agent app. That app will run and do whatever it's designed to do on whatever schedule you did it into perpetuity. And so the goal is to merge the benefits of the reliability of the automation with the intelligence of the AI. So that's the demos that we're gonna get into. As far as the team behind it, they're out of the Valley, out of Palo Alto. They have over 200,000 paying users and they raised 25 million bucks. Still not a lot of people have heard of them, but I think they're gonna become a lot more popular. And now we're gonna start for the first demo with a morning briefing tool. You'll see what I mean there. Now you will learn better from this video if you go build a app for yourself while you're watching this. You can do that completely for free and you help support the channel. You go to this link on the screen or in the description. CREAO is completely free to start and you get 30 credits a month for signing up. So just to learn about the platform and follow along with me, that is completely free. If you don't want to, no worries at all. And now let's get into my computer. So here we are at the CREAO website. This is exactly what you'll see if you want to go ahead and sign up. So let's click on get started. I signed in through Google and now I can see this dashboard. Off the bat, we can see we can access all of the different leading frontier models here. And then there's a bunch of tools here on the left. This is what we're going to dive into. Also, we can see pricing here. I'm going to go ahead and sign up this demo account to the pro plan. So now for demo number one, what I want to create is that ideal combination of automation and intelligence. So I want to create a workflow that runs autonomously every day, and you'll see what it is in a second. Let's go ahead and click create an agent and then start from scratch. And then here's the prompt. So every morning at 7 a.m., read my unread emails, my Gmail from the last 24 hours, find anything that looks like a business relevant email, summarize it, and email me a clean briefing in the morning. So super applicable, saves me time, and you need that intelligence to do the work of analyzing the emails, but also you do want this to run every single morning into perpetuity. So I'm going to go ahead and click start. We could do this manually as far as the connectors go as well, but I also want to illustrate how the agent can do all of this for you without you having to do the manual setup within the platform. Okay, so we can see it's setting up the agent called the business inquiry briefing. Now I'm going to click connect Gmail. Now what's beautiful about this is you don't have to do any API key or auth setup. You just literally click two buttons and it does it for you. That is so much easier than a lot of comparable systems out there. Now it's asking me for the time zone. I'm going to say Central Time and submit. And that's it. It is fully live. It's ready to go every morning at 7 a.m. It's going to scan the emails, it's going to give me that briefing, and it will do that into perpetuity. That's what I want to emphasize. If we go over here into agents in the left, we can see the setup and the summary here as well. This could run for the next 5 years. Every morning at 7 a.m. it'll do the same thing, and that measurably brings value and more productivity to me. If we also want to just give it a test run, we can run it manually. I'll go ahead and click run agent. Let's click run. And then here we can get a test look at what this will do as well. We can see it's thinking right here. Now we're going to have to blur most of this screen, but we can see the business inquiry briefing came in right here. I'll press on that. We're also going to have to blur this entire screen because this is legitimate information. But what I can see here are 7 business and partnership inquiries that came in for this YouTube channel in the past 24 hours. hours. It summarized the conversation and gave me a summary. Basically, this is just exactly what I asked it to do. And the totality of setting this up took about 4 minutes, so super cool. So I hope that illustrates the process and the simplicity of setting these agents up. Now for demo number 2, I want to do something similar that may be more relevant for a lot of you. That'll be related to investing. So what I'm saying is track these stock market tickers and then headlines about a certain sector, in this case minerals. And then every market day when the market closes, log the closing prices and news. So all of that information to a Google Sheet. And if something big changes, just let me know on Slack. There's a few other integrations or connectors under the hood there. And also the agent needs to go and research a much wider base of information to understand all of this. So let's see if it can do it. Let's click go. So let's say create a new Google Sheet. We'll do #general in Slack, and then let's do 5 p.m. CT, and I'll click submit. Okay, so it set up the new agent called the market close tracker. Let's let it finish up. So now we need to connect those integrations. Let's click connect Google Sheets. Same thing here, 2-click integration. It's good to go. Now I'll connect Slack. And it's done. We can see Google Sheets is connected, Slack is connected, and this will run every day at 5 p.m. To test that as well, we can click on run the app. So we can see the triggers working here. Cake had a 6% move. So it sent the Slack alert, and we'll see the spreadsheet as well. Here's the summary. We can see the moves, the Slack alert. Then this is actually a really cool UI. We have the top headlines for those stocks, and then we have 6 major headlines in the mineral space. That wraps demo number 2. Now there's a lot more in here we haven't looked at. There's things like the agent brain, so the memory, the skills, the connectors, voice, image, right? There's a lot in this platform that we're not going to cover in this video. For the last demo here, I want to illustrate something that I think is pretty unique about the platform, and that is building new skills that can be incorporated into these workflows. So as an example here, this is a Alpha Vantage API. It's an API out there that has a bunch of free stock market data for time series and analysis or whatever you want to build. It's super cool, but this is difficult to understand and set up manually. And what CREAO lets you do is incorporate these external new skills, right? Train an agent on these new skills and then incorporate it into that wider workflow style setup. So let's say I want to be able to pull stock market data via API, build a skill for this. Then I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to copy this entire API doc page. Let's jump back into this tab. I'm going to paste that as text, and then we'll let it go. So it's writing a markdown skill file, and then it's going to register that under skills in the quote unquote agent brain. And then any future workflows we use can now incorporate that wrapped skill and then be able to just automatically pull all the stock market data we want from this API. So that's done. We'd go to this link, we'd add an API key, and then it'd be good to go into perpetuity. And then these are some of the workflows we could build with that. Now, if we also jump under skills here, and then under my skills, we can see the Alpha Advantage stock data markdown file here. So that's all the information that's actually being handed to the agent. And we have all these other built-in skills, a lot of cool stuff there. So in terms of a super quick run through of what you can explore on the platform that we're not covering here, if you go under voice, this has a lot of voice design, text-to-speech features. Under browsers, this is where you can have your agent actually manage your browser for you. Image, as the name implies, lets you use these frontier models to generate any kind of AI images you want. And then under workspaces, you can organize all the different, and all in all, that is CREAO. So overall, my take on this is that it's a really cool idea. There are a lot of very awesome capabilities with it right now. And I think this is where all these AI systems are going, right? Where they run fully autonomously all the time, and you do have the benefits of the reliability of automation with intelligence. Now, very complex builds are still difficult with it. That's my main negative about it. And then also with the credit system, the heavier your automations are, the more you run, the more tokens you're going to use. But overall, for the vast majority of use cases for people like you and me in your business and your career, this is going to be a perfect solution. And a big congrats with that in mind to the CREAO team from me. So that's the video. That's everything I wanted to show you. Again, it is completely free to try it out, and you get 30 credits a month just for signing up. So you can go to this link on the screen or in the description to go start building agents that run autonomously and reliably on CREAO. That in mind, appreciate y'all being here, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.